Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 ways that I was able to accumulate $18,110.20 for my very second Q1 in 2023. We are in Q4 of 2023, and over the next couple days, you're going to see some callbacks. You're going to see some ideas on what you can do to make Q4 great. We've done a masterclass on preparing for Q4. Many of you joined that, and really this is for those people who aren't making any money yet. If you've tasted a little bit of KDP income, then this video is also for you, because this may give you ideas on what you can do to move forward. So a little background: I started publishing on Amazon KDP January 1st of 2022, and my book did not go live for 3 days because I didn't know that was a thing. And the first month I made $19, and that was enough for me to be like, okay, I didn't get on a Zoom call, I didn't coach anybody through a program, I didn't answer any emails. Let's keep going. And I actually should pull that up for you. Last time I shared a video with each month, the video didn't do that great. And so it is what it is, right? So let's just dive into the 3 things that will help you to do well in Q4. A lot of people ask me, just tell me your niche, but I'm not the type to just put a fish on someone's platter, because it goes back to me being a mom. Lazy moms do all the work. If I don't teach my kids how to clean, I'm going to be cleaning up after them my entire life. So it's a disservice to them. It's a disservice to you. So lazy moms do all the work. I'm not a lazy mom. I'll teach you how to fish. I'll give you some of my experience and my example, and we'll go from there, right? So let's dive into the niche or the category that I actually did the best in. And that would be journals that are prompted, and that I ran ads to the hardcover. Ding! Like, that is all the things, okay? So let me move my little picture here. So when I want you to think about journals, there's a whole range of different types of journal for different types of people. I first wrote down a list of all the things that I was interested in. And from that, I did all my keyword research, and then I created my books. I've been really busy outside of YouTube in my group coaching program called the Book Income Stream Machine, where I take people through all the steps that I took to sell over $120,000 on Amazon KDP in the time that I have been publishing. Okay. But from this Q1, my second Q1, which I would say, like, it wasn't my first because I was learning with my first. So if you're just learning, lower those standards for yourself. Once you find that winning niche, though, it gets a lot more exciting, okay? Because then you can really work to strategize and win that niche by creating the best books, okay? So not only were they journals, but I published the journals in hardcover and paperback. And remind me to tell you a funny story about a low content book that got blocked and why, okay? Also in this video, well, and actually I have a lot of things to update with you. At the time of this recording, my account has been suspended 3 different times. So I feel like I've been like in the wild, wild west. It is on and it is fine, but there's just so much to learn. I want you guys to learn from my mistakes, right? And a year ago, 2022 of January, I uploaded 200 books in 30 days. Now you can only do 3 a day, but that's still like 180 books. Like, if you're publishing quality books, that's not really a limitation, okay? Okay, I digress. So I'm making journals in all different categories, looking for a place where customers are really underserved, okay? Books are selling, but there's room for me. And so on top of the journals, I started making prompted journals, because when you do prompted journals, people start looking for specific things, whether it's mental health, whether it's a gratitude prompted journal, even if you started doing prompted journals, you are niching yourself down one more layer than just regular journals, okay? But also books that have prompts in them, people want to be led. People want to learn from other people. And so if you can give people a head start with a prompted journal, sometimes people like that more than just a blank canvas, because a blank canvas can feel intimidating. Okay. So don't necessarily not consider prompt journals. And I've been making these with AI. I have not uploaded any since Amazon asked for us to survey and share if we're doing AI. And that's mostly because I've been so busy building out this coaching program, supporting people, answering their questions, and building a community of people really like income stream makers. That's really what this is, because now that these people are making money, they're like, well, how do we do a lead magnet to sell a course based off of this? And when you sell a course, then you're selling $47 on your back end, and that's going right into your pocket. You don't have to wait 60 days to get it. So we are doing a lot of really fun things inside the book income stream machine, but we are also building our movement in our community that is named the income stream makers. So if you want more info on if you want more info on income stream makers, just write that in the comments, because I need to do more videos on that. I've been away. I was at Funnel Hacking Live, a marketing conference that blew my mind, and I haven't recovered from blowing my mind. And then we took our kids to fall break. We went to the beach really fast. Okay, so my 3 secrets of success was doing journals that were niched down as prompted. And every time I did a paperback, I added a hardcover. Okay. And then when I ran ads to the hardcover because it's more expensive. And then I got a trickle down of sales to paperback. Okay. So I wasn't actually paying any ads for the paperback. So because people were buying paperback in journal form, that offset the sales. So for Q1, this is $18,000, and my ad spend is around $3,500. Okay. So this was also the first time my account ever got suspended. It was January 20th. So this could have been a lot bigger month, but it is what it is, right? I can't look away. I can't look away from the opportunity to build behind the scenes income. And that's why I always come back to KDP. There are risks involved, but this is not the only income stream that I'm building. And that's what I teach as an income stream maker. Like, let's build a life that supports us, and let's not be reliant just on one income stream. Okay. So let me know what you have any questions, because we've got Q4 that started 9 days ago, and we're going to be getting into the new year. And if you have journals, prompted journals, think about New Year's workout, people setting goals. Think about prompted journals for like new year, new you. Like, what type of questions can you prompt people to help them keep their New Year's resolution goals? Like, those are some big hints into some of the books that do really well for me. Okay. And people think this is kind of cuckoo because it's low content, right? These are repeated pages, but people judge a book by a cover. They care what it looks like, and they have fun with writing and things. Okay. So I actually love having a notebook, and I like starting New Year's resolutions any time in the year. At the time of this recording, tomorrow is 365 days that I've gone intermittent fasting. That could be its own video too. Okay. So I just wanted to give you this update to let you know that I'm alive and I'm well, even though I lost my voice. And I need to get back to publishing to support you guys, so you know that there is a way to enhance your lifestyle through building income streams. And a lot of this channel is dedicated to KDP, and a lot of this channel is dedicated to Amazon ads, because those are the 2 things that really made a difference for me in this past 18 months. So let me know what questions you have. I'm always willing to answer those questions, and I'll see you in the next video.